Hello, let's solve this JAMB question from Radioactivity. The half-life of a radioactive material is 2 days. What fraction will remain after 10 days? The first thing to do here is to calculate the number of half-lives. To calculate the number of half-lives, we are given total number of days that decay took place, and also we are given the half-life of 2 days. So to calculate the number of half-life, n is equal to number of decay over the half-life over half-life. So what was the total number of days that decay took place? That's 10 over half-life is 2. So the number of half-life is 5. It means that there are 5 half-lives. Now let's assume that the original or the initial quantity of this radioactive substance is 100%. Let's assume that the initial, let's use initial. The initial quantity is equal to 100%. So the first half-life means that this has been divided into 2, and that will give us, that is for the first 2 days. Let's put that down. The first 2 days, that will be 50%. That is 100 divided by 2. That is it. We have 50%. Now the second half-life, that is the second 2 days, which makes it to be 4 days. It will be that this 50 now divided by 2, which gives 25%. Then the third half-life is the additional 2 days, that is 6 days. 6 days. This 25 will be divided by 2, and then we'll have 12.5%. The fourth half-life, that is in the 8th day, for 8 days, it will be 12.5 divided by 2, which will give us 6.25%. Then the fifth half-life, that is the 10 days, it will give us 3.125%. So what is the fraction after this 5 number of decay, that is after half-life, the whole of this half-life? We have amount left is equal to 3.125%. What is the fraction? If we want to now get the fraction, the amount left is this percent, because we assume the initial quantity to be 100%. Then after the 5th half-life, that is for 10 days, it is now left with 3.125%. To get the fraction, because we are asked to calculate the fraction that will remain. If we are asked to calculate the amount left or the quantity left, then we can stop here without writing percentage. But for us to now calculate the fraction, it will be the fraction left will be equal to 3.125 divided by 100. So 3.125 divided by 100, that is 3.125%. Now it will give us, if you punch your calculator, you get 1/32. So this is the fraction left. This is the fraction left after 10 days. When we check the option, it's aligned with option C, and that is the correct answer. Thank you.